Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. Hope you all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to the Educators Online Sport, subject Science, final term, lesson number 1, and the topic is unit number 6 and chapter number 11. Dear students, in this lesson we will discuss about unit number 6, physical science, and chapter number 11, push and pull. The contents are push and pull. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know about push and pull. The material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, highlighter, color box, notebook and science book. So dear students, before starting your work, please keep these all things with you. Dear students, now open your science book, page number 64. First of all, draw lines and write date and today's task. Here we will discuss about unit number 6, physical science, and chapter number 11, push and pull. Okay, dear students, here's a very interesting warm-up activity. The statement is how many people are taking things with them. As you can see, man, woman and a boy. 3 people are taking things with them. So here you can write 3. Dear students, the next statement on page number 64 is when you have to take things from one place to another, you have to move them. जब हम कोई चीज़ एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाते हैं तो हमें उसे मूव करना पड़ता है. For example, if you want to keep your book in the bag, then you have to move the book from the table to the bag. After playing with toys, you have to move them and keep them in their place. Otherwise, they will be laying on the floor. They will not move on their own. A thing moves only if you push it or pull it. एक चीज तब ही मूव करेगी जब आप उसको पुश या पुल करेंगे. Now let's come to know about push. The boy is moving a toy away from him. This movement is called a push. Dear students, as you can see in this picture, एक बॉय कार को अपने से दूर कर रहा है. इस मूवमेंट को पुश कहते हैं. Means moving a thing away from you is called a push. Dear students, now come to the page number 65. Write here today's task also. Here we will discuss about pull. The boy is moving the toy towards him. This movement is called a pull. एक बॉय कार को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है. इस मूवमेंट को पुल कहते हैं. As you can see in this picture, moving the things towards you is called a pull. चीज़ों को अपनी तरफ खींचना पुल कहलाता है. The next is about now you know. Dear students, I hope you understand the difference between push and pull. Let's solve some blanks about it. The first one is to take things from one place to another, you have to move them. The second one is moving things towards you is called a pull. Third one is a thing moves only if you push it or pull it. Dear students, here is a very interesting activity on page number 65. The statement is write push or pull below the pictures. As you can see in the first picture, the lady is moving a cart away from her. This movement is called push. In second picture, a girl is opening the door of refrigerator. This movement is called pull. In third picture, the monkey is plucking the bananas. This movement is called pull. In fourth picture, 2 boys moving the car away from them. This movement is called push. So here you can write push. Dear students, now come to the page number 67. First of all, draw lines and write date and today's task. Here we will do part B. The statement is right whether it is a push or a pull. Okay, first of all, I will tell you what is a push. Dear students, as you have learned that moving a things away from you is called a push. Means चीजों को अपने से दूर करना push कहलाता है. And what is a pull? Pull means moving a thing towards you is called a pull. Means चीजों को अपनी तरफ खींचना pull कहलाता है. Now let's come to solve some blanks. First one is throwing a ball. It's about push. Here you can write push. The second one is plucking a flower from a plant. It's about pull. Third one is opening a car door. It's about pull. Fourth one is wearing trousers. It's also about pull. And fifth one is closing a table drawer. It's about push. So dear students, I hope you understood each and every point to complete this task efficiently. Dear students, your home task to do is learn highlighted points of unit number 11, page number 64 and 65. And the second thing you need to do is about exercise on page number 67 and do part B on your book. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.